Hello, Kingsley. And thank you for coming here today. I'm sorry. What were you going to say?
I said I have ogre.
You have ogre?
But you buy me.
Oh, yeah? So, what does he do?
He stones. He growls. This.
Whoa.
Now here is the eagle talon dragon.
That looks dangerous. And very cool. Oh, goodness graciousness. Gesundheit. Gesundheit. Oh my goodness. What has happened? Oh man. T-Rex just had itself a little snack that just took down a bigger snack dragon. For a second. Oh! Dragon has taken down T-Rex, but T-Rex is back for a second. He's not down all the way. Oh, T-Rex is coming back. Man. Oh, and the ogre wants in on this. Apparently he was just napping. Now he's just standing there. Stegosaurus is trying to dig holes and excavate.
Under attack.
While the humans are very well aware of the immediate threat.
Under attack.
The baby. The ogre still continues to watch on with the T-Rex and the dragon, where the baby seems to be lurking. Coincidentally, both parties, the Imaginext people and the ogre, are looking in the same direction.
Yeah. You're under attack.
Now we know